students, now we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 6 topic alternative or branching statement. There are three types of alternative or branching statement in Python programming. First one, symbol if statement, if else statement, if elif statement. First, what is symbol if statement? Symbol if statement is the simplest of all decision making statement. Simplest of all decision making statement. What is symbol if statement? Simplest decision making statement. Symbol if statement is simplest decision making statement. Syntax of symbol if statement. Syntax means general format. If condition. Syntax of symbol if statement is first one, if is the keyword. Next, any one condition. Next one, statement block 1. Okay, so this is the symbol if statement. For example, x equal to integer input, enter your age. If condition is if, same as if. Next condition, x greater than or equal to 18. Print you are eligible for vote. The condition is yes greater than or equal to 18. Then display you are eligible for voting. The x value is greater than or equal to 18 or greater than value, then display the value you are eligible for voting. Next, output of this program. Output 1, enter your age. Age is 34. Then age 34 greater than or equal to 18. Oh, so the output is you are eligible for voting. You are eligible for voting. Another output, enter your age. Age equal to 16. The condition is false. So, no output. The condition is false. So, no output. So, this is the symbol if statement. Okay. Second alternative statement is if else statement. If else statement. The if else statement provide control to check the true block as well as the false block. If check the if else statement provide control. It's provide anyone control to check the control, the true block as well as the false block, true or false. Okay, syntax of if else statement. If condition, same as if condition, statement block 1. Another one keyword using else keyword. Else statement block 2. If condition, statement block 1, else statement block 2. Okay. For example, next block diagram of symbol if else statement. If else statement, block diagram of if else statement. First entry point, next condition. Check the condition. Condition is true, execute the statement block 1. If condition is false, it's execute the statement block 2. Okay. Next, exit the program. If condition is true, execute statement block 1, then executing finished. Condition is false, statement block 2 is executed, then finish the execution. Okay. Example, a integer input, enter any number, enter any one number. What is the condition? If a modulus of 2 equal to 0, a modulus of 2 equal to answer is 0. Okay. Print a is an even number. A is an even number. Answer equal to 0. What is the output? A is an even number. Else, otherwise, answer is not 0. A is an odd number. Okay. What is the output of this program? Enter any number 56. So, enter any number 56 divided by 2. Answer is 0. So, 56 is an even number. Okay. Another output, enter any one number, 67. 67 divided by 2, answer is not 0. Okay, so it is an odd number. So this is the if else statement. Okay. Next one, if else statement or nested if else statement. It constructs a chain of if statement. It constructs a chain of if statement. Same as if statement, but chain of one if statement, another one if statement. Chain of another nested another one. One if statement inside another if statement having. So this is the it construct a chain of if statement. What is the syntax? If, this is the syntax. If condition 1. Condition 1 fall, true, statement 1 block. If condition 2, statement block 2. Else, statement block n. 1, statement block 1, 2, 3, anyone dot 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 dot. Enough statements block using here this statement. Okay. For example, m1 equal to integer input of enter mark 1. m2 equal to integer input of enter mark 2. What is the condition? Average equal to m1 plus m1 means mark 1 plus mark 2 divided by 2. If average greater than or equal to 18, average value greater than or equal to 18, print grade A. Okay. If average greater than or equal to 70 and average less than 80, print grade B. If, another if using here. So this is nested if else statement. If average greater than or equal to 60 and average less than 70, print grade C. Next, another if average greater than or equal to 50 and average less than 60, print grade D. Else, otherwise, print grade E. Okay, what is the output of here? Enter mark 1, 34, enter mark 2, 78. Adding next, the execution goes to here. The average equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 divided by 2. So, calculate here, answer is 56. So, grade equal to D. 50 and average less than 60. The value is, your average mark is 56. So, grade D. Okay. So, this is the nested if else statement. Very, very important topic. Alternative statement. So, study very well. Okay, students.